Okay. Hello, and thanks for joining. This is part 2 of my series on how to write a short story that sells. And today is part 2. We're going to talk about what essentials for the main character in the middle of the short story. And I'm going to give you 3 building blocks in this training. And one of them is the protagonist tries very hard to overcome the obstacles in their path to solve their problem. The character moves forward because they want the goal so badly. Either they move forward or they give up and they surrender. And the character goes through pitfalls or comebacks, and they try to reach their potential goal. So these are some of the 3 building blocks that makes up the middle of the story for the main character. They trying to overcome their obstacles to solve their problem, and they want it so badly. So either they're going to go forward or they're going to give up and surrender. And they're going to have the comebacks and the setbacks until they reach their goals. And my name is Deborah. I am an author and I'm author of short stories and poetry. Also have done coaching on social media marketing strategy. Also, if you have any questions on writing a short story, feel free to ask, and I would love to know what your story will be about. This is part 4 of a 5-part series where I've been teaching about just the landscape, the overall writing the short story. And from day 1, we started about having your story idea. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.